omokonyi bumurai bwense omoskeri Gachagua ritikoria rero nigo ari Eira yogochikwenekia buna nkorwani ale Amariogo yogotinde iga Kenya mono asensemo ya Mombasa asaboriri bali bagotumeka Amariogo yogotinde na gotigege kogera nigatebira Amariogo yogotinde niga gosaria amagimabo no bana bo Gachagua niga aborire abonchoreria bali abakoni Amariogo yogotinde batabwati chilenses baende bali gichilenses bunenchira ya moyo kweneki ngabonchoreri bwabo kogenderera bole
to live up to your oath and just do the right thing. Please don't dispense drugs over the counter that are supposed to be dispensed upon a prescription. Again, let us put a good record of all drugs that we dispense. That is for licensed establishments. Again, there are very many other quacks who have opened pharmacies and chemists that are not licensed and that are not run by people who are professional. I want to request that you as society works with us, and we are willing to pair you up with our county security and intelligence teams to crack down on unlicensed pharmacists and chemists, shut them down, destroy the drugs, and take the people who are running them to jail where they belong. And let's start with here in Mombasa. We have a very good county team here led by the county commissioner who are very active. And county commissioner, I really want to thank you and your team for what you have done to run the drug barons here in Mombasa out of town. Lakini bado finya hawa. Sukumeni hiyo watu kabisa wapotee. Those are very bad people. Please sit down. Those people who sell drugs to our children, those are very bad criminals. And they have no place here on earth. And I'm sure they have also no place in heaven. You must run those people to the sea. That's where they belong. Usukume hii watu mpaka kwa bahari huko. And that is happening here in Mombasa. And they are crying. Na bado. So please, I want to request this society. Talk to us. We are ready to give you law enforcement officers across our 47 counties to help you shut down all unlicensed facilities across the country. Again, those professionals who lease out their licenses, hata nyinyi ni watu baya sana. Hiyo license umepewa ni yako utumie. Sasa license yako unapatia mtu mwingine ambaye hajahitimu. How do you give a fellow just there to use your license? Kama alitaka kuwa na chemist yangeenda university asome. Aumie huko na mambo ya kati na nini na ile mambo iko huko. Sasa wewe umesoma na hii masomo vile iko ngumu. Mtu tu atoke huko kwa sababu ako na pesa unampatia license yako. It's very unfair to yourself. How do you allow a character who has not been to school to use your license and claim to be a pharmacist? And this is a difficult course at the university. I used to see fellows who are doing pharmacy.
Na togo sukamotu abanyanyimbo korwase county ya Nyamire nsema ya Isebania nigo babwatira abantu batatu abo banyorekana monenya sore ye chishiringi chimilioni 5 nugutaibere kubwatekana mono mu kamanda bwe county yo manyekane buna Francis Nguri nigatabire buna batatu abo nigo babegetenya sore ase chiguni 5 na ime na goteba buna nigo batema gotama korende nigo babekwa buyara nigo mobiso yu aboriri abarundi boda koba maiso asonde bwensi oliba koimoki elio koine kinga obobegwobu nkoera bole.
Our officers laid an ambush and we were able to get hold of the 5 sacks